Hi, it's Simon at Zone CCTV. Here's a video of a commercial CCTV installation at Subway over in Knaresborough in North Yorkshire. The engineers installed Hikvision IP CCTV cameras around the shop, so we covered outside, in the back kitchen area and around the shop front. We also positioned a varifocal camera right over the till, so this will record all the transactions throughout the day. Zone CCTV are based in Leeds and we cover all of Yorkshire. We specialise in commercial CCTV installations. So if you're looking to improve the security for your business, feel free to give us a call. We'll be able to book in a site survey and give you some advice.